Hi friends, this is an editorial written by my friend Harman Buller, where she has explained very well about the demolition of the office of Kangana Ranaut.
On Wednesday, 9 September, the BMC started the demolition of Kangana Ranaut's office for the illegal construction at her premises. The BMC issued her a notice one day before the demolition of her office and asked her to respond within the 24 hours. Kangana Ranaut and her lawyers sought for 7 days to reply the notice. However, the BMC initiated the action by saying that they are not satisfied with the reply.
According to the BMC, there were 14 violations Kangana Ranaut Pali Hill office, where Kangana claimed that there were no legal structure on her home. The actress stated that she does not receive any notice for the illegal construction previously, and she received a notice only for Wednesday. And further, she blamed Maharashtra government for spreading the fake information, where she claimed that she has document clear from BMC renovation.
Adding to this, Kangana Ranaut's lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui gave the statement that the notice she served by the BMC was illegal and they entered the premises illegally.
According to the sources, the BMC issued the same notice to the actress Kangana Ranaut and to the fashion designer Manish Malhotra, where it gave the time of 7 days to Manish Malhotra for replying for the illegal construction of his premises, whereas it gave the time of 24 hours only to actress Kangana Ranaut for replying for the illegal construction of her office.
Now the question arises that what made the BMC to take this kind of unexpected action against the Kangana Ranaut's office? Why it was demolished by giving only 24 hours of notice? Why BMC was partial in case of Manish Malhotra? Is it a political game?
33-year-old actress alleged that the Maharashtra government targeted her because of the fight with Shiv Sena, which also controlled the BMC. Kangana Ranaut revealed that so many secrets of Bollywood movies, mafia, drugs cartel, and dirty politics.
She directly pointed out the Maharashtra government in Sushant Singh Rajput murder case, which led to the war between the Shiv Sena and the Kangana Ranaut. Sanjay Raut gave her open threat and asked her not to come back to Mumbai. The actress tweeted, she stated in response to this threat that why Mumbai is feeling like Pakistan occupied Kashmir.
All scene of demolition was just happened after the war between Shiv Sena and Kangana. It was a game of dirty politics, took their revenge from her because of their personal grudges. It shows you do not have right to express, then what the need of constitution in India if the politicians are the ruling party can use their power in such a way.
After the demolition, Kangana Ranaut tweeted the death of democracy. Further that, so many celebrities came forward for supporting her and tweeted for her on the internet. Now the case has reached to the High Court, where Kangana Ranaut plea against the illegal demolition of her office and seeks rupees 2 crore of damages from BMC.